Welcome to the best picks. The best TN12-10 battery is probably one of the most versatile power solutions you can find. Whether you're powering up your e-bike, a small UPS system, or even some outdoor equipment, this battery promises reliable performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the TN12-10, exploring its key features, ideal applications, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 5. SafeAMP replacement battery for Peg-Perego 12V. This is the SafeAMP replacement battery, designed specifically for your Peg-Perego 12V ride-on toys. It's a reliable power source to keep the fun going. The battery is 100% compatible with all Peg-Perego 12V models. You can rest assured that it will work seamlessly with your child's favorite vehicle. The connector is designed to fit perfectly into your Peg-Perego charger and vehicle. This ensures easy installation and a secure connection. The battery's dimensions are 151 by 65 by 99 mm, or 5.9 by 2.5 by 3.9 inches. It's designed to fit perfectly into your existing Peg-Perego setup. It's a SLA battery with 12V and 9.5 Ah, the same specifications as the original Peg-Perego battery. This means it will provide the same power and performance. The connector includes a replaceable 40-amp fuse for added safety. This helps protect the battery and your child's vehicle from potential damage. What we like. This battery is designed for a perfect fit with your Peg-Perego charger and vehicle. The included connector and replaceable fuse ensure safety and ease of use. If you have a Peg-Perego ride-on toy, this is the perfect replacement, ensuring your child's fun continues without interruption. What people say. The battery works great. Keeps a long charge. Longer than mom and dad. It fits perfectly and appears to be a good value, but I cannot attest to its longevity. The battery lasts about 2.5 hours before it needs charged. We use it as a secondary to a Perego Gator. It is smaller than the original but has just as much power. Number 4. Interstate Batteries SLA 1104 12V12A battery. This Interstate Batteries SLA 1104 is a professional-grade, sealed lead-acid battery. It's designed to power a wide range of devices and equipment, ensuring dependable performance. This battery is suitable for numerous applications and approved for all transport methods. It's maintenance-free and features valve-regulated technology to prevent spills and overpressurization. The SLA 1104 battery is a replacement for many devices. You can find a compatibility guide to see if it fits your needs, including APC, ADEMCO, and more. This battery is rechargeable, maintenance-free, and spill-proof, thanks to its AGM and VRLA technology. It operates at 12 volts and 12 amp hours. Interstate Batteries uses a 7-point quality protocol to ensure high standards. The product exceeds industry standards and is backed by a 12-month performance warranty. For over 70 years, Interstate Batteries has been a trusted power source. They aim to deliver the most dependable power, making it a preferred choice for professionals. What we like. This Interstate Batteries SLA battery is a reliable power source for various devices. It's maintenance-free and spill-proof, thanks to its AGM and VRLA technology. If you are looking for a dependable battery for your medical devices or emergency equipment, this one is a great choice, offering peace of mind with its 12-month warranty. What people say. Perfect replacement for my Buzz-Around XLS for my scooter. Battery fully charged when arrives UPS THX. This worked good on our electric fence even though it arrived chipped in a broken down partially open shipping carton. I got 2 of them for my mom's scooter and they work just perfect. So good. I've had to replace in a past but these ones work way better, charge fast. Lasts a long time. Number 3. Dakota Lithium 12V10 AP04 battery. Are you ready to experience the next level of power? This battery is designed to keep you going. It's perfect for all your outdoor activities. This battery is built to last, and it comes with an impressive 11-year warranty. You can rest assured knowing that it's a reliable power source for years to come. With over 2,000 cycles, this battery offers exceptional longevity. It's a smart investment that will save you money in the long run. The built-in battery management system ensures optimal performance and safety. It protects the battery from overcharging and other potential issues. Whether you're ice fishing, kayaking, or using it with your fish finder, this battery is the perfect power solution. It's versatile and ready for anything. What we like. This Dakota lithium battery offers exceptional longevity and reliability. With its built-in BMS and long cycle life, it's built to last. If you like to go ice fishing, or enjoy kayaking, this battery will keep your devices powered for years to come. What people say. This battery actually exceeded its rated capacity in my tests. I did 2 full discharge recharge cycles, and after a full discharge, it took 10.4 amp hours of charge, and after putting those 10.4 amp hours of charge into the battery I was able to pull 10.1 amp hours out. For the charge efficiency, see the pictures attached. Putting 10.448 Ah into the battery yields 10.13 Ah out of the battery. 10.13 10.448 equals 96.95%. Number 2. ExpertPower 12V10 LiFePO4 battery. For 36 years, this brand has been a trusted name. Now, this LiFePO4 battery is widely used across various industries, endorsed by professionals. It has sold over 1 million units, a testament to its reliability. This battery uses state-of-the-art cells, setting a new standard. Rigorously tested and held to high standards, it outshines the competition. It offers 4000 to 7000 cycles and a 10-year lifespan. It features a proprietary battery management system, BMS, for maximum life and protection. The BMS protects the cells from various issues, ensuring years of use. The prismatic cells undergo rigorous testing for resilience. They are tested against various damages, providing peace of mind. Choose this battery for a hassle-free purchase with a great warranty and tech support. You can be assured of a seamless buying experience. What we like. This ExpertPower battery utilizes advanced LiFePO4 technology, offering a significantly longer lifespan compared to traditional batteries. The built-in BMS ensures maximum safety and performance. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable power solution for your devices, it's a great investment, backed by a solid warranty and industry-leading support. What people say. I've used this product for 2 years with no loss of duration of charge. This was a direct replacement size-wise, with a 30% boost in sustained amps. LiFePO4 bats run until they collapse, providing juice well beyond the 50% lead-acid bats. Number 1. NERMAK 12V10 LiFePO4 Deep Cycle Battery. This lithium iron phosphate battery offers high energy density and a long cycle life. It also has good safety performance and a very low self-discharge rate. The built-in BMS protection prevents overcharge and short circuits. This battery provides 2000 plus cycles, far exceeding traditional lead-acid batteries. It's a safer and more environmentally friendly option. You can rely on it for a long time. This battery is perfect for various applications. It can be used for emergency lighting, RVs, kids' toys, and solar power systems. It's a versatile power solution for many needs. You can connect it in series or parallel for increased capacity. It supports quick charging with a 6A charger and heavy-duty output discharge up to 10A continuously. It's designed for flexibility. The package includes one 12-volt lithium-ion battery and comes with a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us. Remember to use a LiFePO4 special charger for optimal performance. What we like. This LiFePO4 battery offers superior performance with its high energy density and long cycle life. The built-in BMS provides protection against overcharging and short circuits. If you have solar wind power systems or need a reliable battery for your power wheels, this is a great choice, offering both safety and environmental benefits. What people say. Work like a charm. Installed very easily by swapping everything over to the new batteries, fully charged in very little time, and scooter that had been sitting for years was back on the road. Lightweight, which is great as it was installed in a heavy generator. Started generator right up, something I wasn't able to do with 3 pulls on the recoil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.